fruit flies can be really annoying and they seem to come out of nowhere. No need to worry though. Here are some tips to help you get rid of fruit flies. The first thing to know is that fruit flies are attracted to just what their name implies, fruit. They'll often tend to be drawn to fruit that has begun to over-ripen or decay, which normally produces excess sugar, which the flies love. So the first thing that you want to do is get rid of the fruit source from the flies. Before any methods to remove fruit flies can be used, the fruit themselves needs to go. Number 1. Vinegar. In a bowl or mason jar, pour a small amount of cider vinegar, 2 ounces should do. Cover the vinegar's receptacle with a sheet of saran wrap. Use a rubber band to keep it in place. Take a fork and place holes in the saran wrap, 10 to 15 should do. The flies will crawl in being attracted to the vinegar, but won't be able to crawl out. Number 2. Bananas. Use a bowl or mason jar like the vinegar trap, but instead of the vinegar, use over-ripened bananas instead. This is sure to attract those pesky fruit flies. Number 3. Soap. This trap will combine the vinegar used in the first trap with some liquid dish soap. Again, use about 2 ounces of vinegar and a few drops of liquid soap. The flies will be attracted to the vinegar and soap, and when they land on the solution, will drown. Number 4. A carnivorous plant. Getting a carnivorous plant for fruit fly disposal is about as natural as one can get to get rid of those annoying little insects. Pitcher plants or Venus flytraps both work great to attract fruit flies as well as other flying insects such as houseflies and sandflies. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel.